Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I will show you how to edit my list in Netflix. Let's start. So you can actually watch Netflix on your mobile phones, on your tablet, TV, or computers. And there's a lot of way for you to actually watch that. And in my case, for today's tutorial, I'm just gonna be using my mobile phone. So this is perfect when you're traveling and it's a long haul flight, or just really wanted to. There's a lot of things that you can actually do in Netflix. That's why this is great because if you're into binge watching and you would actually have like series of movies or those TV series that you would want to like add on your list just to make sure that you don't need to search for it. There's a way for you to do that. If you want to learn more about Netflix tutorials, please subscribe to our channel and you can learn a lot of things in Netflix. So going back, basically the tutorial today is how to edit my list. Now take note guys that you have your list of series and movies that you can watch. If you look at this, let's say for example in the row right now for continue watching, right? Um, if that episode just three dots beside the info icon, you could actually just click on that and then click on episodes and info. This check button right here is way for you to actually add this on your list, or if you want to remove it from your list, that's basically how you're going to edit it. There are also ways for you to remove that, but in this case today I'm just gonna show you like pretty much adding that to your list, or if you want to make some edits. So there, I hope you learned something today. If you like this video, please hit that thumbs up. Thank you so much for watching. Goodbye.